I have tried peace and happiness in my soul.
There's Snow White. A lot of people don't know the name Snow White because I think it's a name that I've been trying to insert into the industry because I want to transition from gospel to near soul and jazz. So it's been a transition. People are not getting it, but it's okay. It's okay. But I love the name Snow White more. It becomes me. It becomes me. But originally I'm Nomtisi Shinomtandazo. Ndombe seThekwini, Emlazi, Nele Khona. Kuliswa a single mom with her 9 sisters and my grandmother. So yeah, that's just me.
How was life growing up?
Life was interesting because I was the only different person, still am. Meaning I'm the only albino in my whole entire family. So I had to learn from a very, very young age. Lots of confidence, lots of fighting spirits, lots of stubbornness. I had to learn thick skin. I had to learn how to fight for myself. I had to learn how to speak for myself, and I had to learn how to take care of myself at a very young age.
In my despair, confusion and fear, your eyes so power, my flesh is weak, I'm discouraged and I'm broken.
Music was an escape because you know when you're going through stuff and really you are cornered because of your differences and whatever, you always want to run away from that certain lifestyle and become just on your own or even end things. So music became a savior instead of me killing myself, basically. Crazy one. Crazy because I got saved when I was 16. Me getting saved, I went to this church where I was introduced professionally to music by a friend of mine, Kaya Mtetwa. You know him. He's a gospel mogul now. Anyways, it was him who introduced me to this whole thing, taught me how to sing, taught me how to control my voice. He even taught me how to accept myself as I am. Taught me that you are albino, you cannot change that. This is who you are. And all you are is perfect awareness. So when you stand there on that stage, you must not show people a certain fear of your own self. Instead, you must lead them or usher them in terms of spiritual talk. Usher them into the spirit without even thinking about yourself. Don't even think about yourself. People can see you, they see other things, they hear other things, they're healed or delivered through your voice or whatever. And your physical sense does not matter. And that's how I came up to Joburg, and my mom disowned me for like a year. No, she did. She was like, Zosbona, I don't care. I do not know what the hell has gone into you. I don't know what's wrong with you, but you need to prioritize. I was like, this is me prioritizing my heart. My heart belongs to music, so I'm gonna go try and hustle for it. So I went up. And then I came here, I worked in a catering business for a while. It was like a couple of months until Joyous was like, yes. But it was like a couple of months, it wasn't really long. So I don't know the whole lifestyle of living in Joburg and not having anything, not having a job, or whatever. So I've been privileged in that sense, I've been blessed. So I should really think that this was a calling I needed to adhere to, 1. 2, everything fell into place. My aunt was used for me to be here. She did not just do that willingly. I believe God sent her to be the one to take me from home, from the frustrations I was in, to pursuing the actual calling that I'm actually meant to do, which is sing for a living. And so it worked out until now. I don't know how I've survived for the whole of 4 years in Joburg, but it's been a roller coaster. I've learned so much about myself. I've worked with a lot of incredible artists. one in particular, Simpudana. Oh my God. But she's an amazing, amazing, amazing artist. And I found who I really was and what kind of artist I actually wanted to be. And that whole 4 years. So I'm here now, I'm ready to start and do me, I guess.
And so now, doing you, what do we expect from Unomzi?
Just expect a very different kind of
Or should I
look.
say Snow White?
I think Snow White is the
Nomzi
perfect
anymore.
one.
So now, what do we expect from Snow White?
My wonderful, loving followers, I love you all, hey? And I love the Lord, I still do. But my heart is in jazz, it's in Neo Soul. I'm more comfortable there, I'm more creative there. I know what I'm doing, and I'm my own. I'm not completely done with the whole gospel scene. I should think I want to choose to call it motivational music, or the kind of music that uplifts the spirit, rather, than necessarily calling it gospel music, because it's not only going to be an album that talks about God or spirituality or things like that. But I'm a jazz musician, and I will sing about absolutely anything and everything that's going on in my life, around me, in my family. That's how music is. You express yourself, you express the things and the challenges you go through, your triumphant moments, your victorious ones, your painful ones, your sad ones, even the ones where you feel like you are just completely defeated. So that's the kind of music I want to sing. I want to sing authentic, real music about everyday things that we go through and conquer. Most of all about female confidence, about being comfortable in one's skin, about accepting oneself, because as we are in Jwasinje, we cannot change ourselves. This is it. So you can only better it, accept it and get over it, or fight it and live miserably. So I think also with music, I can even convey that same message that I'm conveying with my NGO, because I have an NGO who deals with teaching society and families and parents who had just given birth to an albino baby and they don't know what to do, what's going on, how their families is going to react to that, or how society is going to react to the fact that, you got an albino baby, you're cursed or whatever, because of all these silly perceptions. So therefore the NGO is powered in saying that we go into the rural areas or schools or wherever and empower little girls, little children, parents, and how to take care of even their skins and all that, and then take care of the inner part of them so that they grow up as great adults. It's called Skin Deep.
Skin Deep, that's a beautiful name. That's a beautiful. And how long have you had this NGO?
It's been a year in planning, but I'm officially starting like proper groundwork next year, February, because I've been approaching companies for sponsorships and all those things, because I'll need sunscreens, I'll need hats, I'll need I was approaching even if it's can I use even students about who are optometrists or even aspiring optometrists to come with me like on the road and help me test other kids and whatever, and come back with prescriptions and they get classes. So it's just a helping hand that they cannot receive, I guess. So that same message I can even convey through my music, and that's what I want to do, because music heals. Music, I believe, restores. Music, I believe, changes one's perception about anything and everything, and you become the best that you are. So that's just I don't know, in a nutshell, all of it.
Well, wish you much luck in your journey.
Thank you so much.
It's so beautiful.
Ngisukuthula nobanama enhlisweni yami. Ngisukuthula nobanama enhlisweni yami. Ukuthula. Ngisukuthula nobanama enhlisweni yami. I have joy, peace and happiness in my soul.